I wish you a very warm welcome and also wishing a safe and nice day. In this video, we are going to discuss about another short topic, that is the immunity of human being against virus. When virus penetrate or started penetrating to our body cell, what are the reactions of our body? We know our body is continuously and constantly exposed to a number of pathogens like bacteria, virus, protozoa, fungi and so many other pathogens which cause a number of anomalies in our body. Except virus, all other pathogens are manageable, but when virus started entering into our body, it can create serious hazard in our body. Okay, so today we will discuss what are the different type of combating devices of our body, especially in case of a human when viruses enter into the body. Let's discuss. When virus started entering into the body has specific combating system in it. When virus break the chain of barriers, and suppose this is the body, virus by any way it entered into the body, virus, suppose this is the virus, it immediately entered into body. What happens? Our body with a series of responses started eradicating the virus. What happens? At first, when virus enter, our patrolling police officers of body. What are these patrolling police officers? They are dendritic cells, macrophages, dendritic cells. These are the patrolling police officers of our body. What happened? These dendritic cells, suppose these are the dendritic cell, this dendritic cell produces toll-like receptor to recognize the viruses. There are three types of toll-like receptor: TLR3, TLR7, TLR3, TLR7, TLR9. These have specific role. The TLR3, it can able to recognize the double-stranded DNA of virus, double-stranded DNA. The TLR7, it identify single-stranded DNA. Okay. And TLR9, it recognize CpG RNA, CpG DNA or CpG RNA. CpG means 5' carbon with phosphate group and guanine at the 3' end. Okay. What happens? At first, after recognition, what happened? The dendritic cell enter into the nearby lymph node to activate nearby lymph node to activate helper T cell. Okay, this is the fast action of dendritic cell. The T cell, what happened? Helper T cell activate B cell or plasma cell. The plasma cell produces antibodies. What are the role of antibodies? The antibodies, these are the antibodies. This is the virus particle. What happened? the antibodies seize, they attached with the virus and opsonizes it. It is seize the activity of virus so that the virus cannot interact with the host cell membrane. There is an interaction between cell membrane, glycoprotein of virus and cell membrane. When this interaction do not occur, virus cannot get into the host cell so that the cell can be protected. It is the first event. The second event is that the macrophages. Suppose these are the macrophages. These macrophages expresses Fc receptor here. These are the Fc receptor of antibody. These Fc receptor help in binding with antibody. When the antibody bound to it, they can now this antibody degrade pathogen. Degrade pathogen. It is the second action. So the first action is to prevent the entry of virus into the cell. The second action is degradation by the antibodies. Okay. Another important role, that is the role of MHC1, that is CD8 Th cell, CD8 T cell. Okay. This help in expression of MHC1 on the cell surface. Suppose this is the cell, at the surface of cell MHC1 is expressed. When MHC1 expressed, it is seen that there are some anomalies inside the cell. Due to this anomaly, the cell started producing perforin. The perforin causes programmed cell death. This cell is automatically killed, which is called as cellular suicide. Clear? So this is the third event. Then another event, which is the last event of viral response of body. Suppose this is the cell, this is another cell. When virus enter into it and this cell has been destroyed, what happened? The destroyed cell produces alarming effect on it. It is sees the virus, it is sees the replication of virus and produces alarming effect. It produces interferons. This interferon activate this neighboring cell. Interferon get attached to the adjacent cell membrane, neighboring cell membrane. What happened? The interferon activate JAK and also start pathway. When this pathway are activated, it is sees the translation or viral protein synthesis, viral multiplication, viral genomic attachment, so on. So these four processes are different pathways of preventing virus into the cell or into the human body. Okay. Thank you all.